Today I am going to introduce you to the sketching environment in the Solidworks 2015 software. In the first couple of lessons for the introduction to learning Solidworks 2015 video lessons, we are going to begin by talking about sketching. Now, most of the people, whether they are using SolidWorks 2015 software or some other 3D parametric modeling software, they do not view the sketching aspect of the software as a fun part. Those people consider the enjoyable part is when you take that 2D sketch and turn that into a 3D feature. However, I cannot emphasize enough just how important it is that you develop a good foundation in sketching. I have seen many students going through SolidWorks courses. If I can point out one weakness students have when using a SolidWorks software, it's always in their sketches. A lot of students do not go for the necessary steps in order to build a good clean sketch. They don't see the importance of it until they have issues later on down the road. In the next couple of lessons, we are going to take a look at sketching environment. Then we follow that with covering the basics sketch tools. For example, lines, rectangles, circles, and arcs. Then we talk about an item called geometric relations, how to add them automatically as well as manually. We then look at the smart dimensioning, numeric sketch input, and then we will get into a discussion over a few lessons and what it means when a sketch is underdefined, overdefined, or fully defined. And we follow those lessons in the next lessons. Looking at the intermediate sketch tools, for example, polygon, slots, fillets, and chamfer. And then we get into items such as repairing sketches, rapid sketches, and how to trim sketch entities. Now, let's just overview the next couple of lessons. And like I said, I cannot emphasize enough just how worth it is that you build a good foundation in sketching practices. What you see in a screen is a 3D model of a solid block. This block is fairly easy to create. If you look at the left hand side of the screen, in the feature manager design tree, we have one feature, that is a box extrude. However, the box extrude would not have been possible without this sketch. If I edit this 2D sketch, you can see just how much work went into this 2D sketch. Now, let's go out of this part and take a look at the another part. In this part of the cast wheel, notice in the feature manager design tree, we have a revolve feature. Once again, the revolve feature would not have been possible without this 2D sketch. If I edit this 2D sketch, you can see the profile for that cast wheel. It's real important to create a good clean 2D sketch. We will take a good look at one last 3D part. And notice this feature manager design tree consists of many features. In fact, if we expand the model, we can see every feature has its own sketch. As I select the different sketches, if you keep your eye on the screen, what the sketch consisted of. So hopefully that gives you an idea of importance of the sketching in SolidWorks 2015 software. Now just to wrap this lesson, let's select the new icon. A new SolidWorks dialog box opens. SolidWorks has three environments: art, assembly, and drawing. If you think about it, drawings are not possible in SolidWorks unless you have assemblies or parts already existing along that same line. Assemblies are not possible unless you have parts existing. So the parts are the basics of SolidWorks 2015 software, where you can see, based on our discussion, take a look at this model. Without the 2D sketches, the 3D model is not possible. Well friends, this is the end of the today's lesson. Thank you, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website regularly for more updates. Thank you very much.